Unwrapping the meaning of Muffle It. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving deep into a common yet intriguing phrase, muffle it. By the end of this video, you'll fully understand its meaning and how to use it in your conversations. Muffle is a verb, and it means to reduce the sound of something, often by wrapping or covering it with something. Think of when you cover your ears with your hands to block out noise, you're muffling the sound. To understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. She tried to muffle her laughter with her hand. This means she tried to quiet or suppress her laughter using her hand. 2. The heavy curtains muffled the sounds from the street. Here, the curtains reduced the noise coming from outside. Phrases in English often come from real-life situations. Muffle it can be used both literally, as in reducing actual noise, or figuratively, implying that someone should keep something quiet or subdued. For example, "Can you muffle it? I'm trying to concentrate." This could be someone asking another person to lower the volume of music or a TV. He tried to muffle his emotions. This implies that he tried to keep his emotions in check or not show them openly. While muffle it seems straightforward, there are a few mistakes to watch out for. 1. Don't confuse muffle with muddle. Muddle means to mix up or confuse things. 2. Ensure that when using muffle, there's a clear context. Saying just muffle it out of the blue can be confusing for the listener. And there you have it, a comprehensive look into the phrase, muffle it. We hope this helps you in understanding its meaning and how best to use it. Remember, English is filled with fascinating phrases, and every one of them has a story. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!